ओके हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ कि हाउ डू वी इंस्टॉल दी Wolfbox G850 Pro Dashcam एंड मेरी कार है Skoda Kylaq का प्रेस्टीज मॉडल. सो आई वाज क्वाइट स्केप्टिकल कि इसमें कैसे होगा. एंड इट्स अ न्यू कार राइट, सो मैं हार्डवायर नहीं कर पाऊँगा बिकॉज हार्डवायर करने से मोस्टली Skoda wale they'll nullify your warranty, right? So उस वजह से I'm just going to use the inbuilt power source in the car, okay? And I think it works quite well. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this now. So give me a second, be with me. So packing तो काफ़ी अच्छा है, right? And then if you look at this box as well, it looks quite premium. And surprisingly, इसमें I can see there's a magnet as well, right? Awesome. Okay, and here we go. So let me just take this camera with me, and this is what we have here. Obviously there's that mirror dash cam that we have. Wow, amazing. Then what else do we have inside the box? Everything that's pretty much required to install this thing, right? So this is the power source that's required for the dash cam, mirror dash cam, along with the pen charger or cigarette charger that you call it. Okay, then you have rear camera. Why do we get this red wire is I'll tell you later point of time, but उसकी हमें शायद ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, right? It's just something that we need now. And then this is the GPS tracker or the sensor जो हमारा speed sense करेगा and also starts recording as soon as it sees some impact. Then this is the set of hooks that they provide. इसकी शायद ज़रूरत ना पड़े because we're going to tuck it inside of the car. Then ये है straps हमारे, right? This is the strap which we'll be using to mount our dash cam on top of this mirror that we have. Okay, and then there is this mounting provided for the rear camera. Okay, and then कुछ और चीज़ें, ये stickers I think, yeah. Amazing. And then there's this piece of cloth that they've given. This piece to tuck in the wire, and then this is the user manual, and that's the quick guide. Okay, so yeah, let me just pause this video. Maybe I'll go through the user manual for some time and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've gone through this quick guide though, not the complete user manual as such as of now, but yeah, I think it's pretty simple to install both the cameras, your mirror camera as well as the rear camera. So yeah, we'll start with the installation of the front camera first. That's our mirror camera. Okay, so उसके लिए हमें लगेगा ये cigarette charger, जिसमें power source, also C-type power source provided for our dash cam. Okay, and then obviously the mirror cum camera itself. Okay, so इसको हम लोग कैसे इंस्टॉल करेंगे? इसको इंस्टॉल करने के लिए we'll be needing this straps. Okay, so 1 and 2. I think only 2 straps are sufficient, so hope we don't need any more straps, but let's see. अगर हमें लगता है कि इसका strength थोड़ा कम पड़ रहा है, then we'll have the other things installed. Okay, so इसको हमें ऐसे mount करना है. Okay, because there are this ports provided. ठीक है, तो हमें इसको ऐसे install करना पड़ेगा. I hope yeah, this is visible, right? Maybe I'll just have my camera set like this. Okay, yeah, and here we go. So first you need to take the strap, इसको पहले ऊपर वाले हुक में डालते हैं, and then simply, yeah, you saw this, right? It's that simple. Then take the other strap, इसको यहाँ से लेके, you just need to tuck it in and strap this thing again, the right hand side. इसको properly अंदर insert कर दो and you're good. Yeah, it's installed. So let me show you this thing as well. Here it is. Okay. Fits quite nicely. Yeah, so the next thing is to connect it with a power source. Here I can see a C-type power source provided. Okay, so yeah, I think मेरे दिमाग में एक idea भी है, just to make sure we can connect it with the C-type. So मेरे पास दो C-type ports है obviously car में, apart from the cigarette charger that I have, but maybe I'll just try with this inbuilt thing first, and then I have this cigarette charging port here. So 12 volt power supply, I'm gonna put this one inside of that port. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, so as you can see, my cigarette charger that's provided with this dash cam is inserted in the port. Now what I'm going to do is use the C-type pin for connecting the camera. Okay, तो इसको थोड़ा और झुका देते हैं so that you guys can see the ports as well. Here we have that C-type port. Now I just tucked it in. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, the Wolfbox logo comes in. Okay, that's pretty nice. Okay, so it has automatically started recording, it seems. Wonderful. Okay, so now the next thing is हम लोग को सीधा अभी इसको वायर को टक करना स्टार्ट नहीं करना है, because we have to test all the other accessories that they've provided, even including the rear camera, right? So पहले हम लोग वो काम कर लेते हैं. Let's see if the rear camera is working perfectly fine, then we can obviously proceed further with the installation. Okay, this is how the rear camera looks like. इसको mount करने के लिए they've provided this hinge along with it. Okay, and this is a really long wire. So let's see. No, maybe before installing I should have tested it. It's fine. Okay. For ease of mounting, there's a connection provided when you're tucking in the wire inside of this car. There's a connector which you can disconnect this camera from, but let's not do that as of now. Let me put this wire in. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. As you can see here, this port, I'm going to tuck this. Yeah, and as soon as I've tucked this thing inside, I'm able to see what I'm showing through the camera. Okay, basically मैंने camera उल्टा पकड़ा है. Okay, so it's that easy. Okay, so basically हमारा front camera, rear camera, both things are working, so we're good to install. this camera. Okay, so now the bigger circuits, we'll have to start tucking this wire in. Okay, so let's see. Probably it's very easy, but yeah, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है इधर, right? Maybe this is my wire. इसको मुझे बस इसके अंदर टक करते हुए जाना है, and then I have to connect it to the power source. Okay, with this tool that's provided, I think I can do this quite easily. Okay, यहाँ तक तो मुझे ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी. I think I was able to do it quite easily with my bare hands. But let's see इसके आगे कैसे होता है. Okay, तो यहाँ तक I was able to tuck it quite easily. You can see this, right? Mostly आप अपने हाथों से भी इसको टक कर सकते हो, but yeah. So बारी है इस वायर को यहाँ तक ले जाने की, and then we can put it into the foot mat and take the power source. Okay. Okay, so yeah, here we have our project quite easily. As you can see, the wire from here is running inside this, and वहाँ से हमने यहाँ टक करते हुए, as you can see here, right? I think I'll have to probably push it a bit, and then इसको सीधा इसके अंदर से ले जाते हुए, wire comes out of here, and then foot mat के नीचे से this wire is coming outside, and this is my power source. So I'll just put it in now and let's see if it works. Here it goes. Yay! Wonderful. Brings us to the phase 2 of a project installation. So now हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Just check ये वायर, रेयर कैमरा का वायर जो है वो प्रॉपर्ली वहाँ से होते हुए we'll have to take it to the back side, and जो rear window है or windshield, we'll have to install this camera there. Okay, so I'll just test the okay friends, तो वायर का लेंथ तो मैंने चेक कर लिया है, and I've also found a position जिसमें मुझे वो कैमरा इंस्टॉल करना है. So yeah, I think we're good to go. So let me start tucking this wire in just like what we did with the front camera. इसको बस कैमरा में like this. Okay, so maybe once I'm done I'll just resume this video. Give me a second. Okay, so that was some work. Fine, I'm done wire for this one. Okay, so मेरी गाड़ी में अब ये वायर यहाँ से शुरू होता है, and it goes right from here into this thing. Okay, यहाँ से if you can see there's this, I need to tuck it promptly, but yeah, otherwise it goes. From here. And then comes from this side here, straight from there. Okay, यहाँ से आ रहा है, and then it goes down here. And यहाँ से मैंने actually I could have taken this like from the rubber itself, but थोड़ा length ज़्यादा हो रहा था, तो I've just managed it to get inside the space access wire, and then यहाँ से इसको घुमा के I'm going to install this camera here. Okay, it's fine, I think it's pretty much. Yeah, so that's pretty much it about the installation. I think let me just check it out now. Okay, so this cigarette charger goes inside, and this comes up. Okay, as you can see, yeah, मुझे शायद rear camera का angle I'm yet to set it, थोड़ा tight करना पड़ेगा उसका screws, but yeah, otherwise yeah, this looks pretty good. This is the split mode of this camera. It's my front. I can now adjust it. Oh, my bad. Yeah, so the front view मैं अपने हिसाब से इसका adjust कर सकता हूँ, whichever way I want to adjust it. So it pretty much captures everything that's in the windshield that I can see, and beyond that as well. And then yeah, ये मेरा rear camera. This is my front camera. I can adjust the angle from here as well, moving from this side as well. Okay, I think we're good with the installation. I hope you are able to install it by yourselves if you're planning to install this G850. But yeah, hope it was a good learning for everyone. See you then. Bye bye.